Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Earn With Me. So today I am back with a new loot guys. So firstly you need to stake some tokens guys to get airdrop. So this is already quarter 4. So it's already September. It is in the ending stage. So October, November and December. So these 4 months are Q4, quarter 4, okay? So in this, firstly what we need to do is you just need to open your Trust wallet. After opening your Trust wallet, go to dApps, search for Pancake Swap. Firstly you need to deposit any n number of amount, okay? Not, it is not a fixed price or something like that. Any number, you can choose any number. So BNB, I would be giving the contract address in my Telegram channel. So you need to stake PRQ tokens, just import it. So just buy it for some X number, okay, your wish. I have 1 BUSD, so I am thinking to buy one token. So okay, let's buy this. So make sure you keep 5% slippage, 0.5. okay, so we have 0.5 slippage. Click on swap, confirm swap. Okay, 0.5. Click on swap, confirm swap. So the transaction is going on. Okay, so as you can see the transaction has been submitted. So let's go to wallet. So let's search it with the token name contract. So add custom token, go to smart chain, paste it, Parsec token. Okay, so its value is around 39 rupees. Okay, so after this you need to go to a site I would be giving in description or in my Telegram channel. Firstly go to dApps, I would be giving you a website. So do not stake more than you can afford to lose. Okay, just stake in between 5 to 10 tokens guys, not more than that. So click on connect. So firstly as you can see, Parsec turn blockchain data into actions. Okay, so you need to click on lend. Okay, just click 1.84, so as many as you have. Okay, click on approve, approve the transaction. So transaction is successful. Okay, so the transaction has been completed successfully, as we can see. So after this we have already deposited, so sorry, we have already approved the transaction. So you need to deposit the transaction. Okay, so the transaction is successful, we have submitted your transaction. You can check it on BSC scan. Deposit is confirmed guys. Okay, so after this wait for my update. So in the quarter 4 we would be getting the airdrop. I would be showing you. So in the quarter 4 what they will be doing is, in this you the person who would be staking the Parsec tokens, so there is no need of a limited number of tokens. So you can stake 1, 2, 10, 100,000, million or billion. Okay, you would be getting an airdrop for sure. So they would be taking screenshot of your staking. If you are not staking, you are just holding PRQ tokens, you would not be getting airdrop guys. So you need to follow all the steps in this. Okay, so after this coming to the next airdrop. So the next airdrop is Near Protocol guys. So Near Protocol is giving us an NFT. So what we have to do, so firstly kindly change your Twitter name to, okay, first kindly change your Twitter name. So as you can see I have already changed my name. So you have to change your name like this. After this you need to quote and retweet this tweet. Okay, so I will be showing you how to retweet. So firstly you need to retweet it with the hashtag dot near follow dot near. Okay, so you need to tag 3 friends and with the hashtag. Okay, after that you need to connect your near wallet with dots.near page. Okay, so firstly, before submitting your near wallet, you need to make sure that your near wallet is also activated. Okay, if your near wallet is not activated, you have very less chances to get airdrop. Okay, you have no chances, guys. You don't have less chances, you have no chances of getting the airdrop. So coming to the third airdrop, guys, as you know, IC Punks has boomed so much. So this is also same like IC Punks, guys, but not IC Punk. So it's near to it. So it is IC Tuts. So it is also same randomly generated 10,000 uh, NFT pieces, guys. So you can see how many NFTs will be minted for IC Touch. So 10,000 will be minted. There will be 5 tiers. 30 NFT will be reserved for creators. Okay, 30 will be for creators. We will try to distribute as fairly as possible. Okay, after that, what is the advantage of Royal and Early Pharaohs role? Royal and Early Pharaohs member will be able to sign up and whitelist before the launch for lower price 0.5 ICP to 1.25 ICP. So if you have no role, your username is light blue, you can't sign up for the whitelist. Okay, first 500 whitelisted members can buy at a price of 0.5 ICP a few hours before the launch. 0.5 ICP is nothing but around $50, guys. 40 to $50, guys. Okay, so second whitelist, as you can see, 0.75. If it is $100 AICP, you can see 75 ICP. Okay, so the third, almost early pharaohs, 1 ICP, minimum $100, guys. Okay, 90 to $100, so 1.25, 125. So who will be able to participate in the whitelisting event? So you need to get whitelisted by the following: who invite 4 or other users to the server. You need to invite at least 4 members, guys. It is very easy, guys. Just it is a best trick, guys. You need to tell that I would be giving 1 TRX if you join this Discord and send me a screenshot. Okay, after sending the screenshot, you can also give them 1 TRX. Okay, it is very easy, guys. There are many members who will join this Discord. Just you need to invest some 8 rupees to 6 rupees. Okay, so this is the airdrops, guys. So thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please give a like, share and subscribe, guys. If you are new to my channel, do not miss my content, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.